chemistry?
Sige, joke lang. Kinakabahan ako.
Parang
Parang you know, honestly, I'm just saying it.
Iba kasi yung kinina
to
nyo.
be completely honest, kanina kasi
Kinakabahan
ginawa kami
ako,
scene.
Okay.
Yung scene na kami ginawa kanina.
Yeah.
Kinakapa pa namin ulit yung isa't isa. Kahit
Okay.
na ang tagal namin nagkatrabaho before. So,
Okay.
I think baby steps. At dadating
Yeah,
kami doon.
slowly.
Pagdating ng shoot day na natin.
Parang siyang familiar and new place at the same time. Parang, this feels familiar, pero parang bago din because parang we're re-getting to know each
Saka kasi
other.
kanina nakita ko nung nagsisin kami pa, iba na rin yung atake niya ngayon sa atake niya before. Sabi ko,
I was about to say, iba na yung titig. Iba na yung titig ng mata.
oo,
Iba? Iba na yung...
malagkit na yung ngayon.